My kids having fun in the snow. First blizzard of 2014. Wish the screen wasn't in the way. I don't want to go out there. It's too snowy. Well, maybe I can go on the porch. Let me go on the porch. Ah, it's going to be cold out here.
They're loving it.
I know. Oh, not in the woods.
Oh, up here. Where is she, Ma?
She's in the woods. Zoe, come.
Oh.
There she is.
Where you going?
She plays her game. She wants him to chase her. Look at him. He knows. He's not that dumb. I'm gonna wait for her to come out. Yeah, don't even play with her. Wait for her to come out. Look at him. How can he lay in the snow? You would think he'd be cold.
What are you doing? Look at him. Why'd you do that?
He belongs in Alaska, not Africa. The snow does not bother him at all. It's so funny. He doesn't get cold at all. He don't want to go in there. Oh. Oh, she got him by the collar.
She always takes him by the collar.
I think he's got her by the coat. Oh no. All right, Mom is cold. Mom is gonna go in.
Go get her, Axie. Where is she?
She's.
Oh, she's peeing.
All right, that's good.
No, up here. Mom, where's she going?
Zoe, come. Come, girl. Good girl. Good girl.
Rome.
Yeah, she's fresh. Watch out, they'll knock you over, kill you.
Oh my God, they're gonna get me. Over here, stay over here.
Oh. How do I start?